it's Teacher Adrienne, and I have a science experiment for you. I am so excited to share this one with you today. It's fun. That's all I'm gonna say. It's fireworks in a jar. And we're not really using fire, and we're really not making real fireworks, but we're gonna make something that's like real fireworks, and you need just a few simple things that you have in your house. Let me tell you what you need. You need a big jar, like this. This is, I don't know what size this is, a quart jar, maybe filled 3/4 full of just regular tap water, okay? You'll need an extra jar, just like this, or a cup works fine too. Food coloring. I'm using red, blue, and yellow, my favorite colors, yay! And oil. Probably canola or vegetable oil will work the best, but grab those things and let's get started making some fireworks in a jar. To get started with this science experiment, the first thing you're going to do is take your oil and you're going to fill up your jar about, I don't know, half a cup of oil. You're not going to fill up too much, but probably about that much of your jar will need to be full of oil, okay? And then you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to do about 5 drops of each color into the oil. Now here's the thing. Oil and water are not friends. They really don't like each other very much, and they don't mix up. Now this is similar to an experiment we did in class before, where we used water and oil and we made lava lamps. And remember, the oil and water never mix together. The reason is because the density of water is more than the density of oil, and oil will tend to float to the top of the water. Because food coloring is water-based, it will also stay to itself inside the oil. You can see it's just staying in little balls. It's really not mixing up. I'm going to put 5 drops of each color into the jar. So I have 5 yellow, 5 red. Did you count them as they dropped in? They went really fast. And 5 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, those drops of food coloring are not even mixing together at all. They are just kind of hanging out. Look at that. They almost look like water beads inside the oil. And that's because, remember, the water is going to stick together with its molecules of friends, and the oil is going to stick together with its molecules of friends, and they're not going to combine. Even if we take a fork and stir them up, because that's what you're going to want to do, is you're going to want to stir them up. See if they can mix a little bit. Let's try. They're separating a little bit, but are they mixing? Nope, they're really not mixing. Stir it up a little bit more. Nope, they're still not mixing. Okay, that's again because food coloring is water-based, and oil and water really don't like to mix together. You can see now the particles, sorry, it's a little too close. The particles are all separated, but they are definitely not mixing with the oil. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to pour the oil into this water. And we're going to watch what happens. Okay. We know that the oil and the water are not going to mix. We're going to see the oil go into the jar, and it'll probably go down pretty far, but then what's going to happen is going to rise up to the top because oil is not as dense as water. And then once it gets separated, you will see the fireworks begin. Are you ready? Let's see what happens. Oh, it's all mixed up. And look at the oil, quickly, all going back up to the top because it does not want to mix with that water at all. As it starts to settle, we should see the molecules, the water molecules of the colored water start to drip down inside the water. And I see one happening right here. Look at this. They're coming down. Look at that. We're creating our own fireworks right inside a jar. I see lots and lots of blue. Oh, I'm starting to see red come down. Look at that. What's happening is the water, because it's heavier, and the colored water, which is heavier, is settling to the bottom of the oil and finally mixing with its friend water. And it's so happy. Look at that. This is so cool. Lots of blue. I see red, I see yellow streaming down. Unbelievable. What a cool, cool view. This will last for quite a while because there is so much color in the top that still needs to settle to the bottom of the oil and then meet up with its water friend so it can mix together. I hope you enjoyed this experiment, friends. I had so much fun sharing it with you. It's so colorful. I hope you have a chance to do it at home. And if you have a chance to do it at home, send me a video or send me a picture of what you did because I would love to see it. You all have a great day. Bye.